Welcome back to your favorite English channel. I'm Shannon.
And I'm George. Thanks for joining us again for another English conversation episode.
Today's topic is something every English learner needs. Everyday English words you must know to speak like a native.
Yes, these are the simple, short, and powerful words that you hear all the time. Words like get, make, take, have, go, and do.
Exactly. You already know them, but maybe you don't use them the same way native speakers do.
By the end of this lesson, you'll understand how these small words can make your English sound more natural and fluent.
And remember, this episode is perfect for beginners and intermediate learners. Clear English, real examples, and practical phrases you can use right now.
All right, let's get started. Picture this. You wake up in the morning, grab your phone, and check your messages. You see one from your friend. It says, "Hey, what's up?"
Now, most learners think what's up means what's above me. But in English, what's up just means how are you or what's new.
Right. Everyday English is full of these little phrases that don't mean exactly what they say.
And that's what makes them fun. Today, we'll show you how to use these common words and phrases like a native speaker, so you can sound more natural, relaxed, and confident. Let's start with some of the most common English words. We call them power verbs.
These words are simple, but they appear everywhere in daily conversations.
Our first word is get. It can mean many things: to receive, to become, or to buy.
Let's look at examples. I get up at 7 a.m. That means I wake up. I get home at 6. That means I arrive home. I got a new phone. I bought a new phone.
And if you say, I'm getting tired, that means I'm becoming tired.
See how one simple word can change meaning depending on context? That's what makes get so powerful in English.
Okay, next one, make. You can use make when you create or prepare something. I make breakfast every morning. I made a mistake. She makes me laugh.
That last one, she makes me laugh, means she causes me to laugh. So make doesn't always mean build, it can mean cause.
Exactly. And then we have take. I take the bus to work. Take your time. Take a break. Can you take a picture?
Simple but natural. When you learn these small verbs, you unlock hundreds of everyday sentences.
Here's a quick practice for you listening at home. Repeat after us. I get up early. I make coffee. I take the train. I get home late. I make dinner. I take a shower.
Perfect! You just practiced 6 sentences that sound completely natural in daily English.
Now let's move to the second part. Everyday English phrases. These are short sentences that native speakers use constantly.
Let's go through a few.
Phrase 1. No worries. This means it's okay or don't worry about it. Example. A. Sorry I'm late.
B. No worries.
Phrase 2. Sounds good. It means you agree with someone. Example. A. Let's meet at 6.
B. Sounds good.
Phrase 3. I get it. It means I understand. Example. A. It was a difficult day.
B. Yeah, I get it.
Phrase 4. I'm good. That's a common way to politely say no when someone offers something. Example. A. Would you like more coffee? B. I'm good, thanks. Phrase 5. It depends. Use it when something isn't always the same. Example. A. Do you like working from home? B. It depends. Sometimes yes, sometimes no.
All of these phrases are short, polite, and easy to use. Perfect for beginners.
Let's see how these phrases sound in real conversations. Dialogue 1. At home. A. Do you make breakfast every morning?
It depends. Sometimes I just get coffee.
Same here. I'm not a morning person.
No worries. Me neither.
Dialogue 2. At work. Can you take care of the report today?
Sure, sounds good.
Thanks. I'll check it later.
Okay, I'll get it done by noon.
Dialogue 3. At the store. Excuse me, do you have this shirt in a smaller size?
Let me check. Yes, here you go.
Great, thanks.
No worries.
Simple, right? These are real sentences native speakers use every day. Now, let's talk about something many learners forget: filler words.
Native speakers use fillers all the time. They make speech sound more relaxed and natural.
Here are a few examples. You know, I mean, actually, kind of, like.
Let's use them in real examples. I mean, it's not bad. It's kind of cold today. Actually, I like this one better. You know, I was thinking about that.
These small words give you time to think while you speak, and they make you sound like a real person, not a textbook.
Just don't use them too much. A few here and there is enough.
Now, let's practice small talk, short, friendly conversations that happen every day.
For example, in an elevator or at work.
Dialogue example. Hey, how's it going?
Good, just busy today. You?
Same here. Can't wait for the weekend.
Yeah, me too. It's been a long week.
Short, friendly, and natural.
And you can use it anywhere, at work, school, or with friends.
Let's quickly review what we learned today. We practiced everyday verbs: get, make, take, have, go, come, do. We learned short native phrases. No worries, sounds good, I get it, I'm good, it depends. We used filler words: you know, I mean, actually, kind of, like.
And we practice how to use them in real life, at home, at work, and in stores.
You can take these words and start using them today. The more you use them, the more natural you'll sound. Now let's take everything we've learned and put it into real-life English conversations.
Yes, these are situations you face every day, at a cafe, at your office, shopping, or just chatting with friends. Listen carefully, repeat with us, and imagine you're part of the conversation. Scenario 1, at the cafe.
Hey, hi, how are you today?
I'm good, thanks. Just here for my usual coffee.
Great. Do you want the same as yesterday?
Yes, please. Oh, actually, can you make it iced this time?
Sure thing. Anything to eat?
No, I'm good, thanks.
See how short and friendly that was? Phrases like I'm good, sure thing, and no, I'm good sound perfectly natural in everyday English.
Yes, and notice how the speaker changed, actually, can you make it iced this time? That word actually softens the change. It sounds polite and natural.
Let's repeat together. Actually, can you make it iced this time?
Sure thing.
No, I'm good.
Scenario 2, at work.
Hey, did you finish the report?
Almost. I'll send it in a few minutes.
No rush. Just wanted to check.
Thanks, I appreciate it.
Simple and polite. No rush means take your time, and I appreciate it means thank you in a professional, friendly way.
Try it.
No rush.
I appreciate it.
I'll send it in a few minutes.
Scenario 3, shopping.
Excuse me, how much is this jacket?
It's on sale for $50.
Oh, nice. Do you have it in medium?
Let me check. Yes, here you go.
Perfect, I'll take it. That phrase, I'll take it, means I want to buy it. Short, confident, natural.
Right. Native speakers rarely say, I will buy it. We say, I'll take it.
Let's practice. I'll take it.
Let me check. It's on sale.
Scenario 4, meeting friends. Hey, what's up?
Not much. Just finished work. You?
Same here. Want to grab dinner?
Sounds good. Where?
Maybe Thai food.
I'm in.
Here we heard so many natural expressions. What's up? Not much. Same here. Sounds good. I'm in.
Yes, these are super native, short, and friendly. Let's repeat.
What's up?
What's up?
Not much.
Sounds good.
I'm in.
All right. Now it's time for a fun vocabulary challenge. I'll say a sentence, and you, our listeners, try to think of the natural English phrase that fits.
Let's start easy. You want to say, don't worry about it. What's another way to say that?
Yes, no worries.
Good. Next one. You want to say, that's okay with me. What's the native way?
Sounds good.
Perfect. Now try this. You want to say, I'm very tired.
In native English, we often say, I'm beat.
Right. And how about, that's great?
We say, that's awesome, or that's amazing.
Okay, last one. You want to say, it doesn't matter.
The native way is, No big deal.
Nice work. You're now using English like a real speaker.
Let's do a quick review. Repeat after us. No worries.
Sounds good.
I'm beat.
That's awesome.
No big deal.
Nice work. Excellent. These short expressions make your English sound easy and fluent.
Now let's talk about why natives speak this way.
Yes. Understanding the culture behind the words helps you sound more natural.
For example, Americans often say no worries or no problem because we like to sound friendly and relaxed. Even in serious situations, we try to keep a light tone.
Exactly. In English, tone is just as important as grammar. We often shorten phrases to sound natural, like saying, I'm good instead of, I'm fine, thank you.
Here's another one. We use you got it to mean sure or okay. Example, A, can you send me the file? B, you got it.
We also use take care as a friendly goodbye. It's polite and warm. A, see you later.
B, take care. And one more. That's fine by me. It means I agree or I'm okay with that.
Let's practice these together. You got it. Take care. That's fine by me.
These are little details that make you sound confident, calm, and friendly, just like a native speaker.
Okay, let's do one last practice round. Imagine your day in English.
Repeat after us and picture it in your mind. I get up. I make coffee. I take the bus. I get to work. I talk with my coworkers. I take a break. I get home. I make dinner. I relax.
Now, let's add some native expressions. I get up. I'm so sleepy. I make coffee. Can't start the day without it. I take the bus. It's so crowded today. I get to work. Let's do this. I talk with my coworkers. Hey, how's it going? I take a break. Finally. I get home. What a day. I make dinner. Smells good. I'm beat.
Beautiful. You just used real English, the kind you hear every day.
Remember, learning English is about progress, not perfection. Every new word you use brings you closer to fluency.
Yes, speak every day, listen every day, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how real learning happens.
If you enjoyed this lesson, check out English courses on Udemy. They're full of real English conversations and clear explanations. By purchasing courses, you help support our channel. We appreciate everyone who has and hope you are enjoying your courses on Udemy.
And also, you can support our channel on Buy Me a Coffee. Every donation from you helps us create more English lessons for you.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this episode. And comment below. Tell us your favorite new English phrase from today's lesson.
You're doing great. Keep learning, keep speaking, and keep thinking in English.
Until next time, take care and keep practicing.